Hi, Jocelyn. I think you're off to a solid start here. Please make sure that you send these to me as JPEGs and not as PowerPoints, because I'm not guaranteed to be seeing the same thing that you're seeing on your computer screen if it's sent to me as a PowerPoint presentation. And that's because PowerPoint presentations are basically a set of instructions that has my computer recreate what's on your computer as best it can, rather than a JPEG, which is more akin to a photograph uh, of the work, guaranteeing that I see pretty much what you see. We're looking at happy clouds in the sky. Think about composition, visual flow here, and how book covers are usually laid out. They're usually vertical compositions rather than horizontal compositions. So I would suggest creating a vertical rectangle and doing your composition in there, having the pieces of your, let's see if I can get this to move, of your composition interacting with each other, overlaying each other, interacting with each other in a much more interesting way than is happening here. The font choice, font color is going to really be make a difference about how easily it's legible using contrast and colors and the fonts. Making sure that there's not too much interference in things being read, those kinds of things. Also, try to find an image rather than relying on these kind of cookie cutter shapes found in the shape menu in PowerPoint. There's quite a large resource of clip art in PowerPoint that you can choose from. Able Law Firm. I think that this is reasonably well done. Able Law Firm, most important thing on the card. Using Williams's idea of proximity here, you've got the rest of the information grouped fairly well together. I would suggest a gap between the phone numbers and the street addresses here. Here, this has some of the same problems as the book cover. Just like three groupings of visually unrelated information. Suggest just bringing this over here, cutting it into a vertical, making sure that the information is emphasized as it should be. We don't need at the Student Center. Just April 15th, 2001, 3 p.m. Student Center. Is fine, and then totally de-emphasizing that bit of information, I think would be useful. So some things to think about, some approaches to take. Please make your revisions for the no, I'm going to send these back to you. Please make your revisions and then send them back to me for a grade, okay?